Hello everybody, it is I, Mark Gilday from InsuranceSalesControl.com, InsuranceSalesControl.com, and today we're going to talk about how you can get insurance Facebook leads today for free. That's right, get insurance leads from Facebook today for free. So one of the things that we talk about on social media is using methods, organic methods, non-paid methods to go and cultivate relationships with people, but seldom do we talk about getting actual leads or new client opportunities, as I like to call them, for some reason. I think it's in part due to the insurance company's lack of vision to educate the insurance community, the agents, the producers, the financial professionals who sell insurance to people every day, to actually get them to understand the dynamics of how to get clients from social media. You know, I say this a lot, but the insurance industry has been selling insurance the same way for over 50 years, unchanged. And the problem is everything else has changed. Well, I'm trying to change that. And I'm trying to give some valid advice for the masses on how to use social media to get new client opportunities. Now, social media is one pillar in marketing. It's not the entire marketing. You should never rely 100% on social media, but it's one pillar. And it's a very strong pillar. It happens to be a really big pillar right now. But in the future, 10, 20 years from now, that could change and we can have a whole new system to market with. But right now, it's the new media. And the insurance industry is guilty of just ignoring that and trying to sell insurance the same way. TV is virtually gone as we knew it 10 years ago. The radio stations are gone as we knew them 10 years ago. They're actually now podcasts that you get. Television is now streaming. Movie industry has been hit hard with streaming and things like Netflix, et cetera, et cetera. And the insurance industry needs to catch up. The second bad guys in the insurance industry happen to be the agency owners and, you know, quite frankly, the people who are teaching the agency agents how to sell, or not teaching them how to sell, I should say. You know, we all remember getting in the business years ago and having the sales manager hand your phone book and says, here, it's time to start dialing for dollars. And, you know, today there's no such thing as a phone book anymore virtually. People don't have landlines. A lot of people don't have landlines. I think 70% of American households no longer have a landline. That's pretty interesting information to know. And when you do understand some of these dynamics, you have to start to look at other means to get quality leads for people to talk to. The two most important things in the insurance industry to sell insurance are, number one, getting meetings with people who are qualified and really want your service. And two, holding meetings with those people so you can sell them your product or service, okay? So, today we're going to be talking about getting leads from Facebook for free. And I do have my handy-dandy whiteboard to kind of show you what I'm talking about here. One of the easiest ways to get a new client from Facebook is simply to tell them about a client you've helped. It's that simple. So, how we do this is very easy. Now, it doesn't take rocket science to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and show you anyway, just in case you need the help in the hand-holding, which is totally cool. So you have your Facebook feed, and hopefully you're going out there and you're engaging with people. So you got your Facebook feed, and you're going to put a post. Now, the post is going to look something like that. You're going to have a headline here with some words, and hopefully you're going to post a picture or a video. Now, the picture or the video can be of a client that you've helped. It could be simply, if you're a commercial guy, you know, a horrific, burnt out building where their business used to be. If you're a life insurance salesman, you can get a picture of a family hugging. If you are a car insurance salesperson, you can get a picture of a horrible car wreck and just post it there. And tell the story about how you helped somebody in a similar situation, or if you got a picture of that actual situation, how you helped them. So if there was a horrible wreck, you can, you know, dual use that for car insurance and for life insurance discussion. You can actually post that, you know, you met some people, Harry and Sally, a few years ago, and you had the pleasure to get invited over and do a financial needs analysis. And in it, you uncovered the need for life insurance. And that life insurance need will help Sally continue for a few years if something happened to her husband. And you also helped her husband because if something happened to Sally, her time is valuable too. So as a result, fast forward, this is an accident they get into. Thank God everybody was okay, but both Sally and Harry were happy knowing that they were all set with insurance. Should something happen, it would be covered. So a simple post like that on Facebook with somebody you've actually helped can actually get you a client in the same day. I know this because it happens to a lot of my clients. I tell them to do just this, and the ones who do get results, and usually the same day. So as an exercise, what I want you to do is I want you to think, and I want you to remember a time where you actually sold something and helped somebody. And I want you to do one of two things. The first thing is I want you to get a picture of the house or the car if they were in a car wreck, and I want you to post a story saying, we were able to help them, and we have a policy that can help you too. You know, please reach out to me, Mark, you know, or don't use Mark because then they'll come to me and that'd just be a waste of time for you. So try posting that, and you'll be surprised how many responses you get. You might get 1, you might get 12, you might not get any, but chances are you're going to get some. The other tactic to use is to get a testimonial on video from somebody. And this is not uncommon today, and it's real easy to do. Say, listen, I want to just talk to you and ask you a few quick questions about what we did with the policy. And you may come out, so I'm going to call Janice, and Janice is going to say something like, you know, I just want to let you know that the ABC Insurance Agency helped me when I thought I was unhelpable. Not only did they help me, I had recently the unfortunate opportunity to use them because I got into a car wreck. And I called my agent, and he was there at the same time. He took care of everything, and I got my claim taken care of, and it's not even been a week, and I'm already in my brand new car. Thank you so much, Gary. You know, a testimonial like that on video, recommending everybody to go talk to Gary, the insurance agent, is going to do wonders. So take that video, that Skype video that you can record on your screen with QuickTime if you have a MacBook. I don't know what it is on the PNC because the PNC is... it's so last century, we know. Yeah, I'm going to get some heat from that from some of my friends, but that's okay. When you go ahead and you do something like that, post a testimonial. That's going to get you a client really quick because people like to see good stories, happy endings. And if you're providing the happy ending, they're going to reach out to you. Now, I'm going to give you a third method. And this is if you don't have any clients yet. This is just starting in the business. You can get leads for free on Facebook today. So I want you to post something like this. I'm, Gary Smith. I've been in the business now for a month, and I just learned about a new type of policy that we're selling in insurance. It pays for your kids' colleges. It does this, and it's less than $50 a month. Hey, who wants to learn more about this and help me learn how to help more people? Message me. It's as simple as that. So when they message you, and people will message you, your friends may tease you, but a couple of people may be serious. And when you do post something like that and you get a message back and you get a client opportunity because of it, I want you to go ahead and put in the comments your experiment. Whether or not you did a post of a previous story, whether or not you did a testimonial video, or whether or not you just posted something that we have a really cool kind of insurance policy that does A, B, and C. So go ahead, try that. Please try that. You will get results. I want you to go ahead and comment on this video the results that you did, what you're going to do, and the results that you did, okay? So, I hope, this has been something that I've been teaching my clients, and there's an outreach template that we share with them, and that outreach template tells you how to communicate a little more effectively. But, for the sake of today, getting free clients from Facebook, that's a great start. So I've given you 3 methods. 1, post a picture of a really bad wreck and tells people how you've helped somebody fix it. Number 2, get a testimonial video on Skype. Just record your screen with QuickTime and post that quick video with person and let them tell everybody how great you are. Or 3, if you're just starting out and you don't have any experience, tell somebody about how great this policy is. Very short, but this policy. Put a picture of the policy. Put a picture of you holding the policy or the brochure and saying, hey, this policy is great. It does A, B, and C. Message me if you want to find out more. That is one way of using free advertising through Facebook, free marketing through Facebook, free marketing through social media to get you insurance leads today for free. So if you thought this was helpful or you get an idea, go ahead and post that, thumbs up here. If you have anybody that you think would benefit from hearing something like that, go ahead and share that video with them. This is a promotion week, and at the end of the week, we have a very special thing happening. We have our Facebook/social media boot camp for insurance professionals and other financial professionals as well. Insurance producers, people who sell insurance, people who need to get a consistent flow of new clients. And here's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about all this stuff during the boot camp. And I wanted to show you this because it is a very comprehensive boot camp, but we're not going to throw everything at you all at once. The boot camp is going to be broken up into weeks. We're going to have 4 weeks. The first week, we're going to discuss social media, how you can get some results from social media right away, but also really establish your roles and what you're doing in social media. So we're going to show you how to set up your Facebook book the right way. We're going to show you how to set up your business page the right way and put some little tools in there to get client opportunities right away without spending a nickel. Then we're going to take you in week 2 and we're going to go over the advertising. We're going to show you how to get advertising done right away. We're going to put up the ads and you're going to get people responding right away that week. The whole purpose of this is to get you new clients. Then we're going to take you a little deeper, and we're going to set up a client getting automated system that is going to be a main system with 5 other ways of getting new clients that's all going to interconnect through Facebook. And then finally, we're going to share some bonus with you. We're going to show you how to capitalize on Instagram, how to explode results with targeting. We're going to show you the client engagement system I mentioned we had a structure. So if this is something that you think you're interested in, I want you to go ahead and just go to insurancesalescontrol.com/schedule. insurancesalescontrol.com/schedule. Now, this may not be right for everybody. And quite frankly, if you're here brand new with this, you don't have any money to do this with, this is not right for you. And not because you're broke, but because you don't have any money to spend on investing in your business. So whatever you learn is not going to be put to use. It's just going to be a total waste. So you have to have a little money to invest in your business. But who is this for? Well, this is for anybody, whether they're know a lot about marketing or a little about marketing. This is all geared towards the insurance industry. We include an ad templates library. We're going to tell you how to structure your ads specifically for insurance. And this is based on actual experience. Not only do I work exclusively in the insurance industry, I happen to be licensed since 1991. I was court-ordered into the insurance world, by the way. That's a funny story in itself. But I was a pretty decent producer. The last 10 years, I was responsible for over $200 million in insurance business. That's over $20 million a year in insurance business. That's actual premium money paid to the companies. Now, I'm not saying that to brag, well, maybe a little brag, but I'm not saying that to brag a lot. I'm saying that to let you know that what you're getting is based on actual experience and background, not this hyperbole we see on the internet. We see so many people today. I'm an expert and I just bought a book and I'm going to tell you how to go ahead and give out this. So that's just a bunch of bullshit. The reality is you have to have somebody who knows about insurance to be able to help you and translate this, because insurance is this massive umbrella with 100 different variations underneath it. It's unlike any other business. So again, if this boot camp sounds like it's something for you, go ahead, set up a time to call and we'll speak with you. We're not going to improve everybody. It is limited in size. There's only 25 people, and there's only 25 people allowed because every week we're going to get on a call and we're going to go over the week and make sure everybody's up to date, make sure everybody's doing this, because the whole purpose for you is to do this and get the results. Okay? So if that sounds cool, go ahead and go to insurancesalescontrol.com/schedule. We'll put a link in here in just a little bit. And if you like this video, get some value on it, go ahead and give a thumbs up, comment on it if when you get results doing what we suggest you to do. And also, if you know anybody who'll benefit from this, go ahead and share it with them. Until tomorrow, don't you have yourself just a great day. Have yourself a gill day. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.